Welcome to Math with Kaini. We are solving another question from past year paper. This is paper 0606, which is At Maths from IGCSE At Maths. This is paper 2.2, that is paper 2 variant 2, and it's May-June 2019 examination. This is question 5. This question is actually from quadratic part. Express this quadratic expression in the form of completing square format. And we know that P, Q, and R are constant to be determined. There are two ways to do this. One of the methods is to look at these two terms here, and you can see that 5 is common term here. Therefore, you can factorize 5. We're getting x squared minus 3x, and there's a 1 here, just let it to be. Now, inside these, you want to make a complete square, because here you have got 3, therefore you have to divide it by 2, and then make it a complete square. Therefore, this 3x, then you have to add 3 over 2 square and subtract. Therefore, actually you have not added anything. Therefore, this and these are exactly the same. But this part is a complete square. What is that? This is actually x minus 3 over 2 square. And this is minus 9 over 4 plus 1. So I will expand this. I will get 5 times x minus 3 over 2 square. This time this. Now 5 times 9, 45 over 4 plus 1. Therefore, if you take the common denominator, it's 2. Using 5 times x minus 3 over 2 square minus 41 over 4. So this is this, we take this format. Therefore, I can say P is 5, Q is negative 3 over 2, and R is negative 41 over 4. You can go for another method. Expand this and compare the coefficient. What I mean is this. Just expand this, you are going to get P x squared plus 2q x plus q squared plus r, which will be p x squared plus 2pq x plus p q squared plus r. Now compare this with this. We know that p should be 5. Now 2pq is equal to negative 15. This is 5, therefore this is 10q. 10q is equal to negative 15. Therefore, q is equal to negative 15 over 10, which is negative 2 over 2. Exactly the same. Now, we know that p, q, plus r, that is this part, should be 1, is equal to 1. Now you know everything here. This is 5, q squared is 9 over 4, plus r is equal to 1. Just take it that side, you are going to get r equal to 1 minus 45 over 4, which is negative 41 over 4. Same answers here. Therefore, this is another method which you can expand this. After the expansion, you can compare the coefficient to get the result. Thank you. Okay, now we are moving to the second part of the question. Second part of the question says that, hence, state the least value of this expression and value of x at which this is okay. Now, look at this and compare with the first part. First part, we have got 5x squared minus 15x plus 1. You can see that if you factorize 5, you are going to get this. Therefore, let us go with this. Now, I know that, therefore, my expression x squared minus 3x plus 0.2 is equal to 1 over 5 of this expression. Is this clear or not? If you factorize 5, therefore this cancels this 5 here, you're getting x squared minus 3x plus 0.1, 0.2. Therefore this expression multiplied by 1 over 5 is this. But this part already we have done. We know that this is 1 over 5. This expression we did from the first part, result was what? Was 5 x minus 3 over 2 square minus 41 over 4. Okay? Now, if I multiply this, 1 over 5 inside this, I'm going to get x minus 3 over 2 square, because this multiplied by this is 1. If I multiply this here, this 1 times 41 is 41, and this will be 20. Okay? Therefore, I have expression like that. Okay. What is the use of this kind of expression? Why we are taking such a pain or such a lot of calculation here to write this in this format? What is the use of this format? Whenever you are having an expression in this format, means what? One complete square and a number here. There is no x involved here. There were no variable here. Therefore, there is one variable x here, which is inside this bracket, which has got power square. In that case, to make this minimum, because this one is a positive number, to make it minimum, you have to put this equal to 0. Therefore, if you put x minus 3 over 2 equal to 0, you are getting x equal to 3 over 2. Therefore, this the x value is asking for us to find, because the x value already found. X is equal to 3 over 2. For this value, since this is 0, therefore this value will be the minimum value. Therefore, the minimum value or least value, doesn't matter, minimum value or least value is negative 41 over 20. Thank you for watching.